Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create calculator in MIT App Inventor 2. So now let's see the demo of the app. Number 1 and number 2. So now if I click on number 1 and type the number 45 and in the number 2 I type 64. So plus minus is minus 19. Multiply is 2880 and divide is 0.70312. And after doing this you will think, oh, how can I type the other number? The label is the previous answer. No worry. Click on reset. See, all of the text boxes, labels, everything is resetted. So now let's learn how to create this app. Now click on start new project and type any project name you want. It will automatically redirect you to the main screen. Now set screen 1 background color to green and then put 2 text boxes on the main screen. 1, 2. Set the text box 1 dot hint to number 1 and the text box 2 dot hint to number 2. And then set text box 1 dot width to fill parent and for text box 2 also fill parent. Now put one label on the main screen. Set its font size to 40 and its text to 0. Now we need to put one horizontal arrangement on the main screen. Put it here. Then put 4 buttons on it. 1, 2, 3 and we will not able to see the 4th one. So before that change all the text of this to plus, minus and multiply. Then after doing this we need to put the divide one thing, this. Now set horizontal arrangement height to 50%, this to automatic and the height to 50%. Okay, set all the buttons width to fill parent and height to also fill parent. And then horizontal arrangement 1 dot background color to also green. And then change the buttons, all the buttons text to white. Now change the background color of all the buttons to whatever color you want. I am going to do it a little colorful. Now we need to put one last button on the main screen. The button is reset button. Set its width to fill parent, its font size to 20 and its text color to white and its background color to black, its text to reset. Now this much only designing we need to do. Now after doing this, go to the blocks section. Then when button 1 dot click, set label 1 dot text to, then bring this math icon on the main screen, plus text box 1 dot text plus text box 2 dot text. Duplicate it 3 more times. Button 2 button 3 and button 4. Let's check if these are all the button. Plus, minus, this and this. Correct. Now go back here. Put all of these outside. All of these. And delete this. For the second one, put the minus on the main screen. For the third one, put the multiplying on the main screen. And for the fourth one, put the division on the main screen. Then text box 1, text box 2, text box 1, text box 2, and lastly the same thing. Now we have done all the code for the calculator, but we also need to do the code for the reset button. So when button 5 dot click, then set label 1 dot text to 0 and set text box 1 dot text to blank. So for doing the text blank, for that we need to go to the text and put the empty text box on the main screen. Then copy and paste this one more time and do this to text box 2. So it was very easy to make, right? This is all the code we need to do to create a calculator. So guys, thank you so much for watching with this video and be safe and have a nice day. Bye.